Hi, my name is Crystal Ivan Pasol, a fourth-year tourism student, passionate about creating meaningful experiences through events, hospitality, and people-centered service. I've always fascinated by how tourism brings people together, whether through culture, places, or unforgettable events. As a student, I've been deeply involved in activities that strengthen my skills in planning, organizing, and collaborating with different groups. I enjoy the challenge of turning concepts into real, memorable moments. What I love most about event management is the balance of creativity and structure. From preparing event concepts, working on logistics, coordinating with suppliers, and ensuring smooth program flow. I find myself energized by the fast-paced and dynamic nature of events. Seeing people enjoy and benefit from something I help create is one of the most fulfilling parts of this field. Alongside my studies, I currently work as a part-time barista. This role has strengthened my customer service skills, attention to detail, and ability to stay calm under pressure. Working in a cafe teaches me how to multitask, manage my time effectively, and communicate clearly. All skills that are highly valuable in tourism and events operations. I would describe myself as adaptable, organized, and genuinely passionate about serving people. I also enjoy working in teams. I'm eager to learn, and I take every opportunity as a chance to improve and grow. Whether it's creating a simple event flow or assisting guests, I always aim to deliver with quality and professionalism. Thank you for watching my video resume. I am excited to bring my skills, energy, and passion for tourism and events into future opportunities. I look forward to contributing to a team that values creativity, service, and meaningful experiences.